Okay, so getting into the pie plot. Now, this is honestly, it's not really a plot that's loved a lot in data science. I'm originally from finance, and so you always describe an investment portfolio as in a pie plot as a proportion of the whole. I think there's the reason that it's not loved in data science is there are some issues with this, and this has to do with how our eyes interpret proportions. So as we see things of a circle, our eyes just are not necessarily good at seeing those. So we can tell that maybe this browner wedge here is bigger than the other. It would be very hard for us to see exactly how much, right? And that's just our eyes. It's not something that our eyes are good at seeing. There are other things that our eyes are very good at seeing, and this is one of those situations where they're not. The simple way to fix this is we can note this. I think that's a really important thing is whenever you're going to do the pie plot, you want to make sure that you note and put the amount. In pandas, there's a really cool effect that we can do is we can explode this as well, kind of like our exploding pie here. But we can explode it so that one, I think if you were thinking of a presentation, you could say, okay, we're going to focus on this area, we're going to section out this and explode a little bit more one of these sections. And so you can kind of highlight and talk about certain wedges. I think it goes really well in a presentation. So it's a good little trick that Panda has and makes quite easy for us to do here.